Good afternoon everybody and welcome to the video. This video I'm gonna be explaining you about config maps in Kubernetes. So this would be a very short but sweet and to the point video where I'll be showing you about config maps, okay? So a config map is an API object used to store non-confidential data in a key value pair. Pods can consume config map as environment variable, command line arguments, or as configuration file in volume. In config map allows you to decouple environment specific configuration from your container images so that your applications are easily portable. Cautious, config map does not provide secrecy or encryption. If the data you want to be stored as a confidential, use secrets rather than a config map, or use additional third-party tools to keep your data private. For example, AWS secret managers and other things. A config map is not designed to hold large chunks of data. The data stored in the config map cannot exceed 1 megabyte. Then if you need to store settings that are larger than the limit, you may want to consider mounting it to a volume. Now let's see a small demo, okay? So now I'm gonna come here, I'll try to show you quickly. So if you observe, this is from my lab number 6, I had the tutorials, right? So I have an app.py, right? And I'm essentially storing a variable called name. Remember, in my Docker file, nowhere I have explained or said I'm loading that environment variable. I'm directly loading or injecting through Kubernetes. So now if you observe my Kubernetes folder, I have a config file. First of all, config file.yaml. So here you say API version v1 kind as config map metadata. I give it a name, right? You can give whatever you want. You have to give it a name, right? I gave a name called app secrets, and here you can provide a key value. After I am essentially linking my config file. So I'm saying in my deployment.yaml, I'm saying env from. I'm saying I wanna have the environments from a config map. So I'm using the word config map ref, which means take the reference from that, and here is the name of that, app secret. Now of course my container is running. Hopefully you guys can see here on my dashboard I have a container running, and when I go to localhost I should see my name printing up here, and as you can see the config map works just fine. I encourage everybody to come here and explore more about config map. There is a lot more detail which shows about volume mount and other details. So I encourage you to come to their official website. They have everything in a very nice way. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming next video.